Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're trying a new recipe in the Instant Pot for a Tuscan chicken pasta, and I'll go through the list of ingredients, and as always there'll be a link below to the original recipe. It came from a 365 days of slow cooking and pressure cooking site, but this girl, Karen, adapted it from a Six Sisters website recipe that it was originally intended to be a stovetop dish that you froze. So it's a freezer meal, it's a stovetop meal, and she's adapted it for the Instant Pot. So real quick, we're going to try this recipe. The ingredients you'll need are an Instant Pot, or follow the link to do it on the stove, some chicken, some pasta. She used cavatappi, but said that you could also use macaroni, which is what I have, some chicken broth, some milk, some cream cheese, butter, some sun-dried tomatoes that we're going to drain and chop, some seasonings, and I may add a little more. I found most Instant Pot recipes that I've tried are a little lacking on the seasonings. Some Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, fresh basil. I only have dried, and baby spinach, which they didn't have, so I've chopped up regular spinach. So let's try to make Instant Pot Tuscan chicken pasta. Alright, I'm already deviating from the recipe. I read through a couple of the comments, and a couple people said that they thought it might be a little better if you went ahead and sauteed the cut up chicken breast before you dumped in the noodles, the broth, and the chicken to cook, because otherwise I think the chicken will probably just kind of poach and it'll be a little more flavorless. So we're going to try to heat the Instant Pot up, and this is what you would do if you were doing it on the stove top, and then we're just going to saute the chicken in some olive oil. Alright, my indicator says hot. So when you pour in the oil and it shimmers, it is hot. So we're going to go ahead and saute up the chicken, even though the recipe did not call for it. And you should give it a little more flavor. And I'm going to deviate again, and I'm going to add some extra seasonings here, and also when we do the liquid portion, some Mrs. Dash chicken and some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. You can't have enough flavor as far as I'm concerned. Alright, I have sauteed the chicken. Hopefully that'll give it a little more flavor. The next step is to add the broth. I'm going to try to deglaze the bottom of this pan a little bit. I'm also going to cut my saute mode off. So I'm going to pour a little bit in and then try to scrape up everything that's on the bottom. Add the butter and the noodles. And the recipe does say to try and make sure that the noodles are down in the liquid as much as you can get them. Seal the pot. Instant Pot, we're going to make sure it's on sealed, and we're going to put it on manual for 3 minutes. Alright, we did pressure cook or manual for 3 minutes. I think one reason I like to do the saute in this thing is it already has it heated up, so it'll take it a little less time to come to pressure, but we're going to do high pressure for 3 minutes. Alright, the 3 minutes are up, and now we're going to let it natural release for 5, and then we're going to try to vent it and continue on with the sauce. I got busy making a salad and chopping the sun-dried tomatoes. It said to go 5 minutes and then to move it from sealed to venting, but I'm going to cover it. I like to cover mine with a towel. It said if there was foam, put it back. And I don't want the pasta too messy, so we're going to go ahead and vent it. Sorry. Alright, we vented it. Took the lid off. It looks like the pasta is pretty much cooked. There's not any liquid left. The next step says to add the seasonings, which is a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. And as I did when I sauteed the chicken, I'm also going to add some Mrs. Dash. Also going to add some Mrs. Dash chicken and garlic and herb. And then it said to add the cream cheese. It's bubbling away on saute. And the milk. We're gonna stir this up until the cream cheese is melted, and then we're gonna add the Parmesan and melt it. Cream cheese is added. I'm gonna add the Parmesan, stir it in. I did not have all shredded. I had to use a mixture of shredded and grated. And that will not take long at all. Next is the sun-dried tomatoes. Mine is really hot. I'm gonna go to low. Some salt and pepper. And I wish I had fresh basil, but I do not, so the dried will work. About a teaspoon. The spinach to wilt in, and we will be done. And that is Instant Pot Tuscan chicken pasta. It's also made on the stovetop, and it's also a freezer meal. We're fixing to give it a try, and I'll put a comment here at the end if it's good. It looks and smells really good. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Let's cook, y'all. If you like recipe videos, be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment, and have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.